guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This side Kishore Kumar, online business coach. So still you are struggling with the leads, still you are not able to convert the sale. So in this video I will get to know how to convert the sale on the call. If you're a networker, if you're affiliate marketer, if you're working in Next Money, Leads Guru or Breeze Guru Call or any company, so this video is for you. So in this video I will show my live call where I'm speaking to one person and I will explain all the things how I convert the sale on the call, and in this video I will show my all the proof on the same call. He do the payment and his feedback you will also see on the call. So without skipping the video, because it's the right sale call. Okay, so this call, how I make the urgency, you have to create the urgency, so you have to watch the full video how I make the urgency, so don't skip the video. So Kishore, okay,
Okay.
so currently Kishore, my name is also Kishore, so same
Okay.
pinch. My full name is also Kishore Kumar and your full name is also Kishore Kumar.
Come on.
Okay, so it's a nice to talk with you.
Okay.
Okay, so Kishore, currently what are you doing now?
I am job searching, sir.
Okay, so you're looking for the job.
Job.
Okay, so may I know your age? What is your current age?
25, sir. 25.
Okay, so you're 25 and you're married or unmarried?
Unmarried.
Okay, you are unmarried. So you completed your education. What education you have completed?
BTech engineering.
Okay. Oh wow, amazing. So you have completed your BTech.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after completed your BTech, which year you have completed? Which year?
2017.
2000?
17.
Okay, 2017 you completed and 4 years you did not work anywhere.
Small companies are working. Small company I am looking for software.
Okay, so what they were providing, what salary they are providing, what they are offering you?
What software, sir? I work from Python.
Okay, what money, what salary they are providing in these small companies? How much?
What 10,000, 15,000 around.
Okay, 15,000 means you have completed your school, college, and you are getting only 15,000. Okay. So this is not your problem. It's a critical problem because lots of people are they are doing higher education, but they are not getting a good job, and as well as they are not getting a good salary. Because in this situation now we have, in this pandemic situation, we have to move online and we have to shift online by doing business ourselves.
Yes, sir.
If you start the business, so you will learn lots of things and it will be a flexible time, work from anywhere, and where you want you can earn from the money, but you have to learn the things.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
so Kishore, let me know with that, what is your family background? Could you tell me about your family?
Family background, my retired teacher, sir. Retired teacher, government teacher.
Okay.
My wife housewife.
Okay.
I have one brother, sir.
Okay, yeah, that's great. So Kishore, do you know about affiliate marketing? Have you heard before affiliate marketing?
No, sir. I can see only videos only, sir. Affiliate marketing.
Okay, yeah, there are lots of people affiliate marketing. They're earning so much. Like if I talk about myself, I earn a lots of money. I earn six-figure income from the affiliate marketing. And recently I shared 17 age. He's the young person, and in 3 days income is 11,000. So over here, people like 16, 14, 15, age of the 14, 16, they are earning lots of money because they are learning the business. While learning, they are earning.
Yes, sir.
And in formal education, we do not earn anything. We just give the money to the school and colleges, because from that we do not earn a single penny from school or college. Have you earned?
No, sir.
Yeah. But over here, while learning, you will earn lots of money because we will teach you how to earn the money from Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube while working on this social media platform. And I will, yeah, I will teach you digital marketing. There are lots of things I will teach you, and while learning, you will learn lots of things. Okay. So I will make you understand first of all what is affiliate marketing. Before that, have you heard about affiliate marketing? I repeat once again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, have you heard about affiliate marketing?
No, sir.
Okay.
Not briefly.
Okay, not an issue. Not an issue. Let me explain you what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the like anyone have who already have the product, and what we do, 1% product we have to recommend or we have to give the benefit to the another person. If we are selling the another product to the another one, so we will receive the commission from the a business owner. So this process is called affiliate marketing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let me give you one more example. If you watch YouTube, if you watch YouTube,
Okay,
you watch the YouTube videos?
okay. So, that's about shoot, sir.
Okay, so while watching YouTube videos, so if you have seen that most of the videos, they promote some products and they tell us go to my description link, and after going the description link they will tell you that go to the my link and click on that link and buy the product. Okay, and what we do, we go to the link and we buy the product. So what YouTube company pays to the YouTuber. So this process is called affiliate marketing. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Still, if you have any doubt, I can explain you one more time.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, great.
I understand.
Okay, that's good. So if we go another cheese, like if we talk about affiliate marketing, there are two type of products. Okay, one is physical product and second is digital product.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if we talk about physical product, like if you heard about Amazon affiliate marketing, Flipkart affiliate marketing.
I heard, sir.
Okay, so we can also work with Amazon, Flipkart by doing affiliate. We can sell the Amazon product and we will get the commission from Amazon. Okay, so but over there we need to grow the skills. We need the skills to promote the Amazon, Flipkart product. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Can you, hello?
Yes, sir, I can hear.
Okay. So like Amazon, Flipkart, they have the physical product where we can touch the product.
Okay.
Physical product where we can touch the product, but over there we get less commission, like
Yes, sir.
like 8%, 9%, yeah, max to max 12% we will get from physical product.
Yes, sir.
But nowadays you know that there are demanding is digital product.
Yes, sir.
Digital product, it means that, like example I can tell you, like cryptocurrency, like if we talk about website, blog, domain, website, application, courses, they all are digital products.
Yes, sir.
Okay, by doing this digital product we get the commission 70%, 80%, 90% in digital product.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir, I get it.
Okay, so Leads Guru is the company name, and Leads Guru provides the digital course.
Leads Arc is only one affiliate marketing.
Yes. So have you heard about Leads Arc?
Yes, sir. Tarun online. Tarun sir is there, no?
Okay, so why you don't start with Leads Arc?
No, I don't know about affiliate marketing briefly. That's why I want to know about.
Might be he will Tarun sir will be a fresher. Okay, so let me explain you. I am in also Leads Guru also, Leads Arc also, and Bridge Guru. I do have 3 affiliate marketing right now. I'm doing the project, but right now I'm talking the best product where we get higher communication, and the course is very suitable for us as well as, and in the future it will very useful for us. And over Leads Guru, we will get higher commission as comparison to the Leads Arc and Bridge Guru pool. If we start from the Leads Arc, the money is very higher, but in Leads Guru, it gives lots of money and good commission. So Leads Guru, they provide the courses, okay, the learning courses, okay, and provide the and they give the chance to do the affiliate of digital courses. Over here, we will learn digital marketing, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube. It's a demanding thing. Okay, so without learning this all, we cannot earn from the online. We should know what is Facebook and how to drive the Facebook, Instagram. We have to learn how to increase the follows, how to make the videos on YouTube, video editing, photo editing. There are lots of things in the course you will learn over here.
Yes, sir.
Because while learning online, because we are shifting to the online and we don't know the knowledge about the online. So before earning the money, we have to learn the online part. What is digital marketing? What is Facebook marketing? Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube marketing. Because without learning, you cannot earn the money.
Yes, sir.
Because you know that LEARN, learn. If you remove the L, then it will be a earn, means earning.
Yes, sir.
I hope you understand.
Yes, sir. I hope I understand.
Okay, so in this situation, as well as you know that in Facebook there are lots of people. Okay, there are two type of people in Facebook. One is user and second is creator. So if we talk about the people who want to become a user and creator, if I talk about yourself, you want to become a user or creator?
User, sir.
You want to become a user.
User, creator, sir.
Okay, why you want to become a creator and why don't you want to become a user? Can you explain me?
Oh,
Okay, Kishore, no problem. Let me explain you because user only use the application. User only use the Facebook. What they do? They open the Facebook and just post it and they,
post.
yeah, like, comment, that's it. But creator, what they do? By using the Facebook, they earn the money from the Facebook. That is called creator.
Yes, sir.
So we have to become a creator, not the user.
Yes, sir.
If we become the creator, so definitely your Facebook minimum there will be a 500 friends in your friend list. Do you have a Facebook friends like at least 500?
500, huh?
Okay, if you have the 500 people, so definitely there are lots of people they are using the application.
Yes, sir.
If you give the opportunity, whoever using the Facebook, so definitely they want to also become a creator. They also want to earn the money from Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and YouTube. If you tell them if you want to become a creator, so you will get 1,600 rupees a direct commission. How much?
1,600.
Yes. So is it good or bad?
Good one. Good, sir.
Okay. If you get the 1,600, what you will do?
You will, sir.
Okay, if you're getting 1,600 rupees as a income, so what you will do? What you will do first?
Standing products, sir.
Sorry?
Selling products for phone or any.
Okay. Great. So what if we receive the 1,600, we will get our confidence on the our knowledge, because if we're getting 1,600 in a one time, so we will be more happy to others, because over here while sitting at home we are earning 1,600. We will work more hard. We will do more smartly work. Okay. So you will get more 1,600 means 3,200. Then you will work more hard. Then you will earn more and more money. More sales, more earning.
There is a no limit for earning, sir. This one.
Sorry, sir?
There is a no limit for earning.
Yes, great. Because you have to give the time on learning. Because without learning, you cannot earn the money. Because as you know that in this situation, in this pandemic situation in India, if we talk about, there is a 136 crore population in India. Okay. And 136 crore population, 60% is youth. Okay. Like between 14 to 28, they all are youth category.
Yes, sir.
As the current situation, there are lots of people, they are not going school, colleges. There are lots of people, they are not able to doing the business as well as for this pandemic situation.
Yes, sir.
So over here we can help. The people are looking for a part-time income source. They are looking for second income source. They are looking for digital marketing. They are looking for English communication skill. They are looking for spoken English. They are looking for marketing. They want to be increased followers. They want to looking photo editing, video editing. There are lots of people, they are looking this type of courses. They are looking for money earning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can give them benefit. You can give the opportunity to them. So before giving to the other opportunity, you have to learn the all these parts. Without learning, you cannot earn the money. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this all thing, the product price that is 2000 plus 300. 200 course and plus 18% GST. The total price is 2000 plus 300 with GST.
Yes, sir.
There is a two type of course. If you have seen the plan of Leads Act, there is a price 3000, 5000 and 9000. But over here we do have only two courses. That is 2300 and second is 4130 rupees.
Yes, sir.
And if we talk about basic, I'm not telling you to go for 4000. I'm just telling you go for the basic course. Because if you don't know about the basic course, because in this situation, everyone wants to earn the money, everyone wants to become a millionaire, everyone wants to buy the car, buy home, but everyone not buy it. Because you also know that they don't get the right direction.
Hello.
Every people, hello,
Okay, sir. Chairman.
are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
There are lots of people they want to become a millionaire, but everyone cannot become the millionaire.
Mm.
They want to get the right direction. Over here you will get step by right direction. We will train you, we will teach you how to do everything. We will monitor you. We everything where you are lacking the point, we will help you on that.
Yes, sir.
And over here you will get lifetime access. Whenever you want, you can learn in your flexible time.
Yes, sir.
After purchasing this course, what you will get from my side, I will mentor you. I will give weekly training, daily training. I will mentor you. I will add you in my personal core team.
Yes, sir.
I will add you in my core team. We will hit the target like 10K, 500K. How to reach as soon as possible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There are lots of things you will get from my side.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope you understand all these things.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So if you have any doubt or any question, let me know with that, or else we can go further for it.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can let me know so I can explain you how to start then.
Yes, no doubt.
Okay, no doubt. So let's should we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me know with that how payment you will do by Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm.
I can do after 1 month, sir.
Sorry,
After 15 days, I can do it, sir.
15 days.
Okay, sir. That's
In 15 days, I will reach you at 10K, 10,000.
oh,
In 15 days, I will reach you in 10,000 earning.
10,000.
Because every day, every minute, every second is very important to us, because in affiliate marketing, there is a no competition.
Oh, sir.
Have you heard about network marketing?
No, sir.
Have you heard about network marketing?
No.
Network marketing is a different industry. In that industry, there are 1,000+ companies, and in each and every company, there are more than 5 to 10 lakh people are working in each company. So each company, there are 15 to 20 lakh people are working. But in affiliate marketing, there are only 3 to 5 companies, and each company there are not more than 30,000 people are working. So this industry is growing now. This is a 5G. If you are working for the Nokia, so we cannot grow. We have to come on the 5G. So it's a great chance to start. If you have any doubt, question, let me know and start today. Don't waste the time, because after 15 days, not after 15 days, in 2 to 3 days, the price will be increased. Because this course is very demand, the price will be increasing 2 to 3 days.
After the course,
Sorry?
after 50 days, we reach 10,000, sir.
Yes, easily. I will teach you how to reach it up to 10K. Easily you can reach. Because in 10 days, I earned 18,000.
I don't know anything about it. I don't know how to reach 10,000, sir.
I will teach you. That's the reason I tell you. I will monitor you. I will teach you how to reach 10K in 10 to 15 days. I will teach you.
Okay, sir.
Because myself, I have done in 10 days 18,000, 18K, 18,000.
Yes, sir.
And in my team, I 3 day one guy 17/8 he earned 11,000 in 3 days. So in 15 days we easily can reach 10,000 easily. By laughing and by doing anything, we will reach easily 10,000 in 15 days. So don't waste the time, because you also know that after 15 days we will start. So why not today? Because as you know that you have messaged me around May 21. You messaged me before 2 to 3 months. Already you 3 months you have given the loss of yourself. Do you know that you have messaged me on May 20?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so don't waste the time. After 15 days you will be starting. So why not today? If you have any queries, let me know. I can help you.
I can.
Okay. Sorry.
No
Hello?
doubt about the program, sir.
Okay.
No more doubts about your program.
Okay, so because you also know that Tarun also shared the same platform. Okay, so you losing the opportunity. If you lose the opportunity, so it will be loss for ourselves.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I said my work is what about 15 days, sir? My 10 day. If you guidance is the sir.
Yes, I will give you the proper guidance step by step how to get the right direction on this platform. I will help you on that. You just have to start, because without starting you will not earn the money. And if you will not earn the money, how you will learn? Because without learning, without start, you cannot earn the money. Okay, because after 2 days the price will be go higher, because now you are getting 2,300. After 2 to 3 days the price will be 3,200. So it will be a loss for ourselves. Okay.
Sir, sir.
So how will start you? How will do you payment by Paytm, Google Pay or Phone Pay? So I will share you the link according to that.
Sir, I will pay 1,500, sir. After that, pay.
After 15 days.
After 15 days, sir. 3-4 days after.
After 15 days the price will be 3,200.
After 15 days, sir.
Yes, after 2 to 3 days the price will be 3,200. See, I have sent you the WhatsApp. Check my WhatsApp. Check my WhatsApp. I send you something. Open your WhatsApp. Have you received?
Yes, sir.
See, I have sent you something. Open the WhatsApp. See, the silver price is 299 and the new price it would be 3,000. The price will be increased in 2 to 3 days.
Yes, sir.
So why you giving much money? If you are getting this product only 2,300, why you giving 3,000? Why you giving 700 more? Are you getting my point? Sorry? I'm not able to hear you.
Now we pay 2,300 after 2 to 3 days. How much money we get, sir?
3,000. You have to pay 3,000. Might be 3,000 more.
Now 2,300 pay after 3 to 4 days. How much money we get, sir?
Yes, after 2 to 3 days you have to pay for the silver course 3,000. But now you are getting the price on 2,300.
Not at that point, sir. After I want to pay 2,300. After 2 to 3 days, how much we get, sir? How much we get?
Okay, in 2 to 3 days you can at least you can earn the money like 3,000 in 2 to 3 days. You can earn the money 3 to 4,000 easily. If you follow my strategy, if you follow my secrets, in 2 to 4 days you will earn the money 3 to 4,000 easily.
Guarantee, sir?
Yes, guarantee. If you follow my strategy, if you follow my secret and if you follow my homework, So definitely in 3 to 4 days, I will give you my commitment. In 3 to 4 days, you can earn 2 to 3 thousand. I'm not telling you 10,000, 5,000, but at least minimum you can earn 3,000 in 2 to 4 days. But you have to follow my strategies. You have to complete my homework. You have to follow what I will say. Then you can earn 3 to 4 thousand in 3 to 4 days.
Yes, sir.
So definitely you will earn, but just you have to start. Trust me, definitely you will start, because 2 to 3 months you are observing my status. There are lots of people that are earning, not you and me. There are lots of people who are earning. They trust it. They believe us. They believe in affiliate marketing.
Sir.
Okay. So start it. So how you will do the payment? By Paytm, Google Pay or Phone Pay?
Phone pay, sir.
Phone Pay. So let me share you a Phone Pay a link. Okay. And I will share you the Phone Pay pin and send me 2,300, and I will let you know what I have to do further on the process. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let me send you a Phone Pay number. Okay. Thank you.
So,
Yes, Kishore.
sir.
Okay. So big congratulations and welcome to our Leads Group family.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
so
sir.
you have taken the decision, you have taken the first step. So big congratulations once again and welcome to our Leads Group family.
Sir, please support, sir.
Okay, definitely I will give you my best. You also have to give your best.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will give you 24 hours support myself, but because you also know that we cannot clap from one hand, we have these two hands to clap it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will
Okay,
give my one hand and you have to give your
Okay.
one hand.
Definitely.
Okay, I will give my 100%. You have to give the 100%. The result will be 200%.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what you have to do? Okay, in
sir.
10 to 15 minutes. Okay, you will receive your username and your password. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and after login the account, I will send you one video. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so I hope you don't understand Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's very problem to ask. You don't understand Hindi?
No, sir.
Okay, it's problem for us. Okay, so let me figure out what we can do over here. Okay, I will explain you step by step. So first of all, what you have to do? Okay, I will send you username or password, or
Password.
maybe you will receive from the email.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just log in it, and afterwards let me know with that after logging. So I will teach you what you have to do. You okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hope you have seen my live call, how I convert the sale on the call. I shared my screenshot as well. As you can see, these all are my screenshot which I took the payment from my client. So this is the way you can close the sale on the call as well. As if you need my help, so you can connect with my WhatsApp, or you can call me on the same number. Definitely I will try my best. I will share my top secrets, how I can do. If I can do, you can also do. So if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell notification for get the new update.